I was skiing at Nikiska. By the end of the sixth run, it was obvious that something was going on and I couldn't go any further. Probably didn't realize or believe I was having a heart attack. It's the first time in my life I felt totally helpless. Soon after that, the Pro Patrol from Nikiska were there on scene. They put on oxygen, called to the bottom of the hill, told them to prepare for a air vac and to call STARS. The first thing I ever thought about when I did go down on the ground and realized I had a heart attack was I could potentially miss my son's wedding. When I got in the helicopter, my focus was to make that wedding. The overall feeling that I had was I think I have a chance. I think I'm going to get there in time. When you see the STARS helicopter fly over your house, or when you see it, what do you think? What person, what life, what soul are they saving today? For those that contribute to the STARS organization and the cause, they're definitely saving people's lives. They're saving people's souls. And without them, I don't think a lot of people would have a second chance at life.